Hi mommies, this is Tanya, Noor's mom. So just wanted to give you all an update on Noor's weaning journey. So recently I had gone to a local store in Gurgaon called Design Kids to buy some of Noor's products. And I discovered some packaged pureed foods for her. So even though they're imported, but I found them to be quite good. So I bought them and I tried them out. So Noor loved them, and I also tried them out. They're really tasty. So I went and bought some more. So I thought, since now I've tried them and tested them, I should show you all what I bought. So the shop is called Design Kids. It's in Gurgaon. It is also in Delhi, and they deliver at home in case you want to buy. So there are two brands that I bought. One is Ella's Kitchen. So I bought 3 pouches. So this one has squash, carrots, apples, and prunes. So as you can see, the ingredient list also is 100% organic. Only has these 4 ingredients, nothing else. No added sugar, no salt. Hence the reason why I like them. Also, these are 4 months plus. I got 2 more. One was the spinach apple sweets, and then I have sweet potato, broccoli, and carrots. So all of them are absolutely pure. No artificial additives, no preservatives, no salt, no sugar. So that's why I love them. The reason why I bought these 3 particularly was because they had more of vegetables in them, which is what I wanted to give Noor. Because anyways, it's easier to give fruits at home. You just peel them, mash them, or puree them, and you can give it to them. Vegetables, if you don't have the time, or if you want to create a mix of fruits and vegetables, it's difficult. So hence I bought more vegetables, and she loves all of them. So I went and bought more. They also have a couple of other flavors, not couple, actually a lot of other flavors. They have some apple banana, cherry, and peas, broccoli, something, mango, apricot, peach. So whole of them. But I specifically picked these out in order to make her try out these vegetables, and thankfully she loves them. The other one that I bought was Gerber Foods. So here you see I have an apricot mixed fruit, and this is mango. Again, ingredient list you can check out is just pure fruits, nothing else. So secretively, this mango, I'm not gonna give it to her. I'm just gonna give one bowl to her because the other is for me. It's yummy and no added sugar, so that's the best part. So I'm gonna eat one of this. Uh, so yeah, so all of them are imported. I agree. They range between 150 to 250 per pouch. I don't remember the exact amount, but I think they're also available on Amazon. So in case your child is not eating, or is having trouble accepting fruits or vegetables, so you can try them out, because I think they've been made in a way that appeals to the palate of babies. So in case your child's fussing around food, fruits, vegetables, I think you can give them a try. They're small pouches, so you'll not waste a lot. And once you open them, you got to refrigerate them, and they're then good for only 48 hours. So divide them like that. You can directly put them in a spoon, squeeze them, or just pour them in a bowl and feed it to your baby. With this, I want to talk to you about packaged food. So a lot of parents have this notion about packaged food being bad. I mean, come on. When we were there, Cerelac was the thing, right? And now we all know how much sugar Cerelac has. So, and we're all fine. I mean, we're not obese or overweight. So I would just say, don't stress on baby weaning or feeding them food so much. Even if they like packaged food or Cerelac. When I say packaged food, I do not mean biscuits or namkeens or chocolates. I mean packaged baby food like purees, Cerelac, and porridges, all of those things. I mean, if the baby likes it, please go ahead with them. Look at the ingredient list, ensure there's no sugar or salt added to it, and you're good to go. Also, jaggery, no to jaggery. Jaggery is also sugar at the end of the day. So, if your packaged food states that there are no preservatives and no sugar, no salt, then it's absolutely okay if your baby likes them and is not eating home cooked food, right? Because it's a good habit to develop in the baby to eat at a time, at their lunchtime or snack time. And if they're not eating and they only want this, don't keep on stressing that, oh my god, it's packaged food and the doctor said not to eat packaged food and the child will get overweight or whatnot. So relax. If your baby likes this, please give it to them. Like I showed you in my earlier video, I am giving Noor the Heinz oats porridge cereal, and I'm very happy with it. No sugar, no salt. She's eating it. I don't need to make those oats, and they look, by reading, better than Cerelac. So it's absolutely fine. And if someday she stops eating everything and she wants Cerelac, I'm okay to give it. So I'm not that kind of a person. But yeah, I am not going to be giving her any kind of chocolates, biscuits, namkeens, anything which has no nutritional value at all. So please don't introduce these things to your babies only. If they don't eat, don't let them eat, but don't give them all of this just for the heck of starting that mealtime habit. It's not the right thing to do, because later on, your baby will only want those kind of food items and not anything nutritious. So go ahead with packaged food if you want. I think there are a few brands like Slurp Farm. They have a couple of porridges that don't have any added sugar, no jaggery, no salt. I think millets porridge and oats one, and then they have Mawa Sattu, which I find very interesting, and I've ordered, and I'll see how it goes for Noor. So that is there. I think there's one Happa, HAPPA, which is another of this pureed brand, comes in pouches. I haven't tried that, but I'm just giving you options that there are brands like this. There is one Tiny Spoons, which is another puree fruit brand. So give it a try and don't hesitate. If your baby likes them, good for you. I mean, it solves and saves you from the hassle of all the cooking and all the baby kha lo please, mera bachcha kuch nahi kha raha, all of that. So yeah, enjoy this journey and just let the baby eat anything nutritious you can let them have. Packaged food doesn't always mean that it's bad. Most of the foreign countries, they have these packaged foods in abundance, and majority of parents use them on their babies. In fact, when they travel also, we have friends to India, they carry these with them and they're very happy with it. So if the rest of the world, or if I might say, if the majority of the world can have their children eat these foods, why do we have so many ifs and buts around them? I mean, it's completely a personal choice for you mommies. If you don't want to do it and you want to actually make the effort of making your baby eat home cooked food, it's your choice. Like I'm also doing it. I'm doing both things which I can easily do. I'm doing at home, which I can't. I'm just giving her packaged food. So it's depending on your resources, availability of time, and how much effort you want to put. But just remember that the fact that it's there, it exists, it means there is something good in it. So do read the ingredient list and make sure and assure yourself that you're not giving anything bad to your baby. And just be happy about it. I will keep on updating you further on how Noor's weaning journey has been going on, whether we do get successful in baby-led weaning or not, or we remain stuck to purees and me feeding her. But whatever the case is, I will keep you all updated, and do send your questions or queries on my personal message. Thank you. Bye bye.